In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Pokemon from GBA to DS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any Pokemon that you have on GBA titles like Ruby, Sapphire, or Emerald to a Nintendo DS to a 4th gen game such as Diamond, Pearl, Platinum, or Heart Gold and Soul Silver. So you will need a DS that has a GBA slot, like the Nintendo DS Lite. There might be another model as well that supports this, but basically this is going to be a requirement. You will have to insert the GBA game at the same time as the Nintendo DS title. So if you are transferring from Ruby to Pokemon Diamond, for example, you insert Ruby into the GBA slot, and then Diamond goes into the standard cartridge location of the Nintendo DS. Another thing that I need to make very clear is that the language of the games need to be the same. So if you are transferring from an English copy of a GBA game, the DS game must be English as well. So either have all of the cartridges on the same language and you will be good to go. With that done, when you open the DS title with the GBA game inserted here on the slot, you will see this message on the home screen. So migrate from a specific game. So in the example that I gave, if you had Ruby in the GBA slot, you would see migrate from Ruby. If you had an Emerald cartridge, you would see migrate from Emerald, and so on. So choose this option from the home screen, and now you will see the boxes of your GBA save. All that you have to do here is choose 6 Pokemon. So whenever you tap on one, you will see this red circle here, and you have to choose 6. So you have to transfer 6 per session. Now, you have to go over to the PAL Park. The location will differ slightly if you are playing Diamond, Pearl, Platinum, or Heart Gold and Soul Silver. For Diamond, Pearl, and Platinum, it is going to be available here on the map, and for Heart Gold and Soul Silver, it is going to be on this location. You can search for specific instructions on how to unlock them if you are unsure, but usually you will just see them through natural progression. Now, when you go inside of the lobby, talk to the NPC at the counter, and as long as you chose the migrate option, he will allow you inside of the Paul Park. So as you can see, the layout is the same across games. You will have different regions such as forest, you have the water, the lake, and so on, and all of your 6 Pokemon will be found on these different locations. They will give you 6 Pokeball that have a 100% catch rate. So all that you have to do is run around these locations on the grass, on the water, until eventually you will be able to find all of them. Just throw 1 Pokeball to each of those Pokemon and you will be able to catch them and transfer them over to the Nintendo DS. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Pokemon from GBA to DS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.